Okay. Maybe it's a little bit far. Okay, like this. Okay. And okay, so as you can see, this there are in this place the library. This is a library. All of this is a library. It has books. Books, and people are studying here. Studying. Well, why is a cat here? But okay. So now, oh, what happened? Eraser. Okay, now there we go. So now that we have this picture, can you tell me how many red books are in this room? How many red books? Okay, I can get closer.
2 red books.
Okay, okay, we have 1 and 2 red books. And can you tell me how many orange books do we have? Orange color?
6.
6. Let's check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's right. We have 6 orange books and 2 red books also. And can you tell me how, oh wait, how, can you tell me, is there any animal inside? Animal?
Cat.
There's a cat. Yeah, there's a cat. And also, can you tell me how many kids do we have inside the library? How many kids?
Seven.
7? Okay,
Yeah.
let's check it out. How many?
7.
7. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is adult, so she's not a kid. She's a woman, so it's okay. She's an adult. And okay, you did good. Can you tell me what is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What they are doing? They're here.
Read a book.
Yeah, she's reading a book. Yeah, she's reading a book. She also reading or writing? Writing? Yeah, right. She's writing. She's reading. She's reading like this, like here. Like I'm reading like this. And write this with a pen, like this. With a pen. So that's right. Okay. So can you tell me what color is this cat? What color?
Is red cat.
Orange cat. And can you tell me what is inside the library? What is inside? What is happening in this library? What is inside all this library? For example, yeah, tell me.
Inside the library there are
Yeah.
bookcase.
Bookcase.
Cat.
Cat, yeah. Cat.
Table.
Yeah. So sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Table.
Table. Yeah, there's a table here. Yeah.
Book.
Books. Yeah, books.
Computer.
Computer.
mouse, keyboard,
Okay. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough.
and
Can you
chair,
tell me?
chair.
Chair. Yeah, there are 2 chairs here. Well, 3. No, 4 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And can you tell me? Can you tell me what is outside? Outside the library. Here, outside.
And outside the library there are
Yeah,
a tree,
a tree,
umbrella,
umbrella,
car,
and this. There are 3
house,
houses. Yeah, and okay, that's good. That's good. And what is happening outside the library? What is happening? This look, this little thing. Outside the library is
water,
it's raining. Raining.
raining,
Yeah, outside the library, 비가 와요. It's raining. Yeah. Okay. So it's raining. Okay. Okay. Let's check it out. That was right. So now oh, we have rabbits here. Can you tell me the color of these 4 rabbits?
and white rabbit, gray rabbit, beige rabbit, orange rabbit.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, let's keep moving. What is it in the rabbit? What is this?
White rabbit is carrot, orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Yes, that's right. And okay, let's move on. Move on. Okay, so look, do you know the days of the week? Like, for example, these ones, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, what days today? What day is today?
Yeah.
Today?
Tuesday.
Today is? Today is Suyuil. What is Suyuil? So this is Monday. Monday. Yeah.
Tuesday.
Okay. Do you know Monday? 한국어로?
월요일.
맞아요. Okay. Monday. Tuesday. Today is? Wednesday. Wednesday. 수요일. 네. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday, yeah. Friday. Saturday. And Sunday. Okay, let's repeat again. Monday. Okay. Oh, repeat please. Monday. Okay. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Friday. Friday. This one. Saturday. And Sunday. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Monday, Wo. Tuesday, Hua. Wednesday, Su. Thursday, Muk. Friday, Gun. Saturday, To. Sunday, Il. Mateo? Okay. So now we are going to, okay, you know the days of the week. So we are going to see this picture. On this picture, wait, let me make it bigger, bigger picture. Okay, there we go. Here we have, can you tell me how many dogs do we have in this picture? How many dogs?
2 dogs.
2 dogs. And can you tell me the color of the dogs?
Green and orange there. Green and brown and beige.
Yeah, beige.
Dog.
Yeah, that's right. It's a green, brown, and beige colored dogs. Okay.
Hey,
So,
can I drink some water?
oh, sure. Go for it. It's okay.
Hey.
Oh,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. Okay. So now you came back. We are going to continue with this one. Can you tell me what is this? Can you see it?
Oh,
That's called a truck. A truck.
oh.
Yes, a truck. And what is he doing? What are they are doing?
If he is what's there?
Okay, that's wash a car.
Wash a car.
Wash a car, yeah. Car washing or wash a car.
Oh,
Yeah, they put some soap and water and they wash the car. Yeah. So, okay, let's erase all this. Okay. What else? Okay, there's a doggy. Okay, that's perfect. So let's continue. In this picture, can you tell me how many sheep do we have? How many sheep?
5 sheep.
Okay, 5. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 sheep. And what is this?
Is boat.
It's a boat. Yeah, that's right. It's a boat. So let's continue with the class. It's a boat and can you tell me what is this?
Is bird.
Are birds. How many? How many birds do we have?
3 birds.
3 birds. 1, 2, and 3. And do you know what is okay, I will tell you. Wait. Do you know what is this?
What's there?
Okay, that's called a lake.
Lake.
That's called a lake. And do you know what is this one?
What's that?
That's called, it's a mountain. Mountain.
Mountain.
Yeah, mountain, and this is a lake. Yeah, so okay, we learned some new stuff here. Okay. Okay. Oh, look, this is a picnic. It's a picnic. And what they are eating, what is this? All of this food. Let's go closer. Wait, so sorry, so sorry. What happened? Oh. What they are eating?
Sandwich.
Sandwich,
Water.
water,
Okay.
is a cake, and this. I'm
Cookie?
not. Yeah, maybe cookies. I think it's cookies. How many cookies?
5 cookies.
5 cookies. Okay. So yeah, they are eating sandwich, water, cake, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies. That's right. And can you tell me how many dogs are here? How many dogs? How many dogs here? Oh, hello?
No?
Yeah, can you tell me how many dogs we have?
Is 5 dogs.
5
One-
dogs.
One is yellow dog.
Uh-huh. And the others? Okay, this is 1 yellow, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's right. And what is this one?
Yeah.
What is this?
Boat.
A boat. And this? This one?
Car.
A car. Yeah. So, and do you know what is this thing? This? All this sky blue thing.
What's that?
Okay, that's called a river.
River.
Yeah, river. Okay. Let's continue. Oh, wait. Let's call a river. Oh, wait. We still have some stuff here. Oh, look. We have a lot of. Can you tell me how many dogs we have here?
5? 5? No.
5 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what is this?
Is gold.
Is what?
Fish?
It's similar because chips has this little. It's a little bit different. This called a goat, but it's a small goat. Small goat, like baby goat. This one, because sheep has like this, and this has a lot of this. No, this is a goat, little goat. So sorry, I cannot dry. 그리기 잘못했어요. 미안해요. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Can you tell me what is the color of the doggies, of the dogs? Color?
White and brown.
White and brown doggies. That's right. That's right. That's okay. And can you tell me? Oh, but look, these are sheeps. A sheep. So can you tell me how many sheeps do we have here? How many sheeps?
Um, 11.
11. Okay, let's check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's right. And how many birds?
3 birds.
3 birds. That's right. That's completely right. 1, 2, and 3. That's all here. And remember, what is this? What is this?
What's that?
Okay, that's called. We told you I told you last time. It's called mountain. Mountain.
Mountain.
Yeah, mountain. And this one, how many trees do we have?
2 trees.
2 trees. Yeah. 2 trees indeed. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 trees. And remember, what is this?
What's that?
Okay, this is called a lake.
Lake.
Remember here? No, not here. Here, this is also a lake. Lake.
Lake.
Okay, this is a lake. I'll wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the class. Okay, oh, look, we have some sports here. Okay, what is he doing? What is he doing?
He's fishing.
He's fishing, yeah, he fishes. He's fishing. What is he doing?
He swims.
He swims. What they are doing?
He's tennis.
Yeah, he plays tennis. Plays tennis. Okay. One more time. What is he doing? He is
Fishing.
fishing. What is this one? He
Swim.
he swims. Yeah, he swims. And here? He plays tennis. He plays tennis. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Oh, wait for it. He plays tennis. Okay. Here, What is happening here? Okay, what is he using? What is this?
He plays bicycle.
Yeah, he rides a bicycle. He rides a bicycle. Repeat after me. He rides a bicycle.
He likes bicycle.
What is this one?
He rides bus.
Okay, yeah. He rides a bus. He takes a bus. But it's
Takes a bus.
okay. And what they are doing?
He's ride a car.
Ride a car. Yeah, ride a car, ride a bus, ride a bicycle. That's right. Okay. Can you tell me what is this place? Where is it? Where?
He make food.
Yeah, she's making food, but what is where? Where? Inside kitchen. Yeah, inside the kitchen. Where is here?
What's there?
Okay, that's called backyard. Backyard or garden or patio. We can say backyard. Backyard. Can you repeat it? Backyard.
Backyard.
Backyard. And where is this place?
Here's the movie.
Yeah, they watch movies. Where they watch movies?
Movie.
Yeah, movie theater. Yeah, movie theater. This is a movie theater. Yeah. So, and what is inside the kitchen?
Inside the kitchen there are cup and a bowl and right hand.
A pan. Yeah. What is this?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. And that's okay. That's okay. That's wait for it. That's good enough. Oh wait. That's good enough. Oh. Can you tell me what is this?
Bat.
That's called a bat. A bat. Like baseball. This one?
Guitar.
Guitar. Yeah, guitar. This one? Like green.
Phone.
Phone. What is this one?
What? Tomato, rice, beans.
That's right. That's our tomato, grapes, and beans. Can you tell me how many beans do we have here? How many beans?
Oh.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21.
21?
Yes.
Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. 21. So let's count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You are good. Good. You know well the numbers. That's good. So now, okay, what is this? I don't like this color. Let's. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, let's learn some vocab here. So we are going just to learn this, and we are going to review the numbers just for the last part. So, okay. What is this?
Forest.
A forest. Yeah, forest. What is this?
Supermarket.
Supermarket. What is this?
Coffee.
Coffee. And what is this?
Soup.
It's a soup. Yeah, it's a soup. So now that you know these ones, oh, wait for it. Oh, okay. Wait for it. Let's erase this, also this. What is this one?
What's there?
That's called cinema.
Cinema.
Cinema, or you can also call it movie theater.
Movie theater.
Movie theater or cinema. Both are okay.
Cinema.
Yeah. Yeah, I will tell you the difference. For example, cinema 이거 오케이. 잠깐만요. 한국어로 말해요. 시네마 영국에서 영국. 근데 미국에서 무비 티터. 이거 달라요. 나라마다 달라요. 그래서 오케이. 시네마 영국 movie theater United States US. 야, 미국에서 이렇게. Okay. So this is a mountain. Mountain. And what is this?
Village.
Yeah, a village. Yeah, village.
Village.
Yeah, village. And this? This one?
Cheese.
Cheese. Yeah, that's cheese. Okay. So okay. Now just let's will finish just this one. I wait for it. I just want to share one more thing. Whiteboard here, share. Okay. So I want you tell me two more numbers before we finish the class. So can you tell me this number? Like this, pump, pump.
2023.
2023, yeah. And this number?
1992.
1992. Yeah, 1992. And can you tell me? For example, this one. Oh, wait, no.
800.
800. Yeah.
31.
831. Yeah, that's right. That's right. 831. Okay, last one. Okay, this one. 1998. That's right.
1998.
That's right. You did really good. You know numbers. I really like it. You are really good with numbers. Okay. So for today's class, let's leave it here. Okay, you learn numbers, you learn more vocabulary, and you can have a really nice week. I hope you go taekwondo.
Taekwondo.
Yeah. Okay. So see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.